1 in Australia. And this is the superstar mare, youngest horse in the field. She's only 8, Crystalline with Chris Chugg, and he starts on 16.
Oj, 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 oj. Australiens Chris Chugg, clear round, först ut att sätta nollan. Oj, vad härligt. 16 total.
Chris Chugg shakes his head. He can't believe what a brilliant mare he sat on. Potentially on the finest horses the world of show jumping has ever seen. Crystalline, there you go. 8 years old, the first clear of the Longines FEI World Cup. Chris Chugg in front for the Australians on